This is a brand new 3-bedroom villa located in a gated community in Sosua. There are ocean views from the master bedroom on the second floor, and both bedrooms on this level have direct access to the pool area. There's a separate apartment on the first floor with a bathroom, kitchenette, infinity pool with waterfall, and a parking spot. This property is just a 5-minute drive from Sosua Beach. Come and see it for yourself.
For more information on this listing, please contact Amber Coast Realty, your real estate professionals in the Dominican Republic.